Newest one is the so-called Darlene fire near Lapine. That one broke out around 1:30 this afternoon, and it's scorched about 600 acres so far. You can see the smoke right there. Level 3 evacuations are in place in that area, which means go now. The Grandview fire is burning northeast of Sisters. This one is 5,700 acres. It's 5% contained tonight. And the largest fire in the state is the Bootleg fire. That one's burning north of Beatty in Klamath County. It's a massive 201,000 acres. You can see all of that damage. Now, as wildfires burn in Oregon, special teams are using infrared technology to map out the fire lines from the skies. This helps crews battling the flames down on the ground. Fox 12's Sarah Hurwitz has an inside look from an Oregon Department of Forestry specialist.
When flames spark and fire crews deploy, special infrared technology is crucial in helping attack wildfires.
For understanding how the fire grew overnight, infrared interpretation and infrared flights are the best tool that we have to do that.
Eric Larson, a geographic information specialist with the Oregon Department of Forestry, is part of the process of taking infrared data and making it into a map for fire crews on the ground.
Heat emits radiation in the form of infrared light. We can't pick that up with our visual eye, but we have sensors and cameras that can do that work for us. So it takes what we can't see and translates into something that we can see. The infrared data goes beyond just where is the fire. It tells us where's the isolated heat within the fire, where are the intense heat sources, where is the heat more scattered.
Larson says the larger the fire, the more resources they'll dedicate to using infrared technology from the air. Whether they use that technology depends on the complexity of the fire. He says they factor in the fire's size, proximity to communities, and safety of firefighters. Now, once that request for a flight goes out, he says they usually happen in the evening to not interfere with any daytime aircraft on the fire. An infrared interpreter on the plane will then translate that image into data that Larson can use to make maps like these.
Setting the stage with an accurate map of the situation on the ground will improve the efficacy of the firefighting that happens the next day.
Larson says fire maps are produced on a daily basis, even if aircraft don't fly. He says crews can also use other tools to map, like drones. Sarah Hurwitz, Fox 12 Oregon.